Right, hello, and we're at Liverpool Lime Street. So, we will be seeing services from Northern, TransPennine Express, I was going to say Virgin Trains there, Avanti West Coast, and LNWR, and before that, now arriving in is 331105, with a terminating service from, I think it is Manchester Oxford Road, I think. I'm not actually quite sure myself actually on the subject, but is the 331 arriving in. So it's terminating here at Liverpool Lime Street. (331-105) arriving in to Liverpool Lime Street, and now departing is 331-107 with a service to Crewe. It is the 15:27 departure out of Liverpool Lime Street, and here he is. He's on his way, ready to depart. And also sitting as a 319 there as well. Excuse my camera work there with the finger over the camera. Deary me. Now 331-107 even is now departing for Crewe from Liverpool Lime Street. (331-107) for Crewe, now leaving Liverpool Lime Street. Now they're lovely trains. I haven't been on one of them before. Mind, I was out with a friend today, and apparently the toilet was out of service on that one. Very unusual indeed. Now that is 331-10, whatever it was. Can't remember now. It's gone now. Okay, and also sitting over there is a Pentolino, a Avanti West Coast Pentolino, which will soon be doing a Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston service. And also sitting in the rear is 319-384, I think that says there. So we'll see that go out in a short wee while. Right, so we are on platform 5. I was just over there on platform 3 and 4. Now on a service to Blackpool North is 319-384, which is due in about 3 minutes, so we'll see that departing in just a few minutes time. And 331-105 is sitting on the platform 4, yep, platform 4. And as I say, the Pentolino is just through there. I can't really see through there. Oh, hello, LNWR, and just see if I can go up further up from it. And it is all. Let me just get closer so I can get a good view. Right. So we have 350-258 on a service to London Euston, and that is now just departing Liverpool Lime Street. So, without further ado, let's get ready to record that train.
Train to depart.
Oh, Hawaiian. This is what I love about this.
1537 Northern service to Blackpool North. Calling at Hyton, St Helens Central, Wigan North Western, Exton Balshaw Lane, Leyland, Preston, Kirkham and Wesham, Poulton Le Fylde, and Blackpool North. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 5 of the 1537 Northern service to Blackpool North.
Indeed, that is a 1537 Northern service to Blackpool North. So I'm going to move myself back from the sign there, just to make sure I'm being safe as usual, because always safe to sorry. Pentalino sitting over there. I haven't got the numbers for that. I'll get that once that departs as well, which will be very soon.
The next train to depart from platform 10 will be the 1538 Transport for Wales service to Chester via Runcorn, calling it Liverpool South Parkway, Runcorn, Frodsham, Helsby and Chester. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 10 of the 1538 Transport for Wales service to Chester via Runcorn.
Right, so that was a good announcement from Atos Anne, I think. Hopefully this 319 will be departing in a moment, because it is 15:36 now, so the guard should be just getting ready to get sorted. And he should be ready to go any second now. So now, in departing in a few seconds time, is the 1537 Northern Rail service, now owned by the Department for Transport. Now it's no longer run by Arriva anymore, which is fabulous news. So, without further ado, once this guard allows the train to leave, just like a few seconds, and there's a few passengers running for the Avanti West Coast service to London Euston in the background. But honestly, Anne is crazy. She is crazy. She goes on and on, doesn't she? But if you guys don't know who Anne is, you see the speaker up there? That will be where she announces everything. Lime Street isn't, from the sounds of it, isn't too bad. Only thing I find out with the announcements is they're very repetitive. Just recently, the 1524. And speaking of which, here we are, a Class 68 locomotive coming in with a lovely storm. And we have 68, and this will be a terminating service from Scarborough. We have 68019 Brutus, or Brutus, I think that's pronounced. What a lovely beast coming into Liverpool Lime Street today. Fabulous. And now departing now is 319384 with a service to Blackpool North, as we were waiting for before. Is he moving? Yep, he's moving. Excellent. And yeah, so that 68 is fantastic. Anyways, and now further ado, Blackpool North 1537 departure out of Liverpool. It's 319384 with a lovely tone from the driver there. Right, that's 319384 to Blackpool North. Lovely tones even from the driver there. Fantastic. And you can still hear the 68 rumbling along there on standby mode at Lime Street in platform 1. So, without further ado, we'll get on with the next set of recordings very soon. It is a little bit windy today, but it's not too bad today. I've been out exploring the whole of Liverpool with my friend, and yeah, so, and also we have a 158 arriving in. I know, not arriving in, he's already departed. Jeez, I didn't see that coming. He was already halfway up. Jeez. And the Pentolino is soon ready to depart for London Euston this afternoon. Fabulous 68, so the beauty of them, honestly. Fantastic, honestly, they're one of the best things going, at least because since the HSTs went in the East Coast Main Line. But like I say, we are on the West Coast Main Line, the Liverpool Lime Street, one of the terminuses of the West Coast Main Line. And so yeah, without further ado, we'll get on for the next video in just a few seconds. Now departing is the 1547 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, form of a Pentolino, and it should be departing in a second. Must be 39618 from the sound of it. There we are, 390's departing. Well, 39118 to London Euston. Now departing is the 1554 TransPennine Express service to Scarborough, and we are formed of the 68 we've seen earlier. Once he's ready to go. There we are. 68 or 19. Here we are, off we go. Come on, thrash it. or 19 to Scarborough. And that sums up today's video at Liverpool Lime Street, and hopefully you'll see me with another video very soon. And yeah, so go and subscribe and like and comment on the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.